All right, Cortez. Asking you shall receive. So, hold on. So she's. Let me catch y'all up real quick. Hold on.
The mechanics.
What's happening? What's going on, YouTube? 5:13 in the morning, Saturday morning, December 15th. I think it is. Clean culture. It's today. I'm just leaving the house right now. Headed to California, Irvingdale. Real quick fuel up. Pop off real quick. Just topped them off real quick. Quick run down, yeah. Quick run down, cool. But as you can see, man, honestly, I didn't come out here with nobody. I invited a whole bunch of people. I even told them that the hotel room was paid for. It's $20 to get in the door, $40 if you register your car and your car gets qualified to get in. I mean, to be honest with you, it's gonna be, 750 cars plus that's registered for this event. Like, I'm a popular loner because, I mean, I came out here by myself. I did this by myself. But here's the thing about it. Here's why I'm not mad. Let me tell you why. I'm made for this. This is what I do. I enjoy this. I don't do this for nobody else. I do this for me. I genuinely enjoy it. That's why I'm not tripping that I didn't come out here with nobody. So what I'm trying to tell you is if you're really made for this, if this is really what you do, you don't need anybody with you to do it. You can do it by yourself and enjoy it by yourself. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep the car a little bit, get ready, get my beverages. So since I'm an hour early because apparently I left Phoenix and it's daylight savings time in California, I'm gonna do what I normally do and walk around. I gotta find one person before I even go back to the super clean out here, and I found him. I found him, boy. This guy is the Mecca. Where's it at? Oh yeah, there it is. Boom. Catch the Instagram, y'all. This man's build is crazy. Over there. Just chopped it up with my man. It's a crazy story about him and mine, our cars. His got stolen and mine got stolen. The only difference is he found the car and most of the parts to his car. I recovered damn near nothing, but it's crazy. They were so close together and I could relate 100%. So I felt with him his pain and frustration when it happened. And it's crazy that he got his back and rebuilt it, and I got, my motivation back to rebuild it. So yeah, big shout out to him. Big shout out to him. Oh my God. This Integra right here, y'all. There's literally too much going on right now. I think all the motorcycles have came together to do one unanimous rev off. We're doing a two-step competition. The Super has not gave up. Black Widow, I think his name is, has not stopped two-stepping since I got here. I'm surprised he hasn't blew up his motor yet. And there's another car that's doing two-step with him. Somebody's burning out. There's so much activity, and I haven't even been through half of this car show yet. This is so crazy here. There's such a mixture of just dope and on top of more dope. USDM dope, European dope, Japanese dope. It's dope from all over the world, y'all. Okay, so here's the deal. Oh my God, stop doing that. Great turnout, super great turnout. Oh my God. And you can still hear it. All right, so I haven't been or drove or did anything to this car in a couple of days, but I have been working on it here and there, doing some things. It's drivable. I'm like working on the side skirts or cleaning my garage or whatever. Anyways, I haven't been filming much. So what I have been filming, I am gonna drop right now while I go get some gas because she is dry and thirsty. But I do love this combo. Don't worry about that. I was selling my stereo if anybody wanted it, and I had it ready to go. Oh, so I'm going to Vato Zone to see if they can charge my battery because this bit needs a battery real bad. But I'm also going to go get gas as well. So I'm gonna cut y'all back on. Y'all enjoy these clips while I go wiggle.
The mechanics.